How to fix audio issues on TikTok. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from The Solution Guy, and in this guide video I will simply show you the way on how you could very easily fix audio or microphone issues on the TikTok app. But before we get started, as always, if you are new to our channel, make sure to leave a like, hit that subscribe button, and without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. Now first of all, it really depends on what kind of issues you're talking about. For example, let's say you're not being able to listen or record your audio, then it could be that your TikTok is lacking the microphone permissions. If you're not being able to hear the sound, then it could mean your TikTok app has some bugs, or maybe there is something wrong with your external headphone or a jack. So we will look through all of those steps. The very first thing we want to do is we will simply go ahead and then open up the settings application on our phone. So go ahead and then simply open up settings. Once you open up settings, you can see this is how it is going to look like. You just have to go ahead and then look for the option called apps, as you can see. Once you tap on the apps option, you'll be able to see a bunch of various options on this list, and we have to look for the application called TikTok. So go ahead and look for TikTok. It will usually be at the end, because since T is at the end of the alphabet letters. So let me just go ahead and select TikTok. As soon as you select TikTok, the very first thing, without having to clear your data, what I would recommend you do is you go to permissions. As you go to permissions, here you want to scroll down and you have allowed section and not allowed section. You want to make sure that the microphone is included under not allowed. If a microphone is under over here, you have to tap on it and then actually set it to allow. And for example, make sure that you select microphone and you have to actually set it to allow every time. Now, once this does and fixes your issue, go ahead and try to check it if it fixes your issue or not. If not, what I would recommend you do is you come down and select storage. As you select storage, you can see some of the temporary cache files. We're going to simply clear it by tapping on the clear cache button. And if you want, you might also want to clear the data and then tap on the OK button in order to clear the data of the TikTok app. But hopefully one of these would have helped solve the issue. If it did help solve the issue, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries, or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.